welcome to online class. Today we'll discuss the another case study. So let's begin with the case study. See, Arvind and Aarti are happily married couple living in Belgavi. Arvind was working in a private firm as a junior engineer on a monthly salary of rupees 25,000. In the meanwhile, the family got a female child. Unfortunately, Arvind died in an accident. Now Aarti's life became miserable due to sudden death of her husband. Aarti, however, is very expert in cooking and preparing eatables like chips, chutney, pickles, papad, etc. So now Aarti is thinking to start a small business since she has no other income except her husband's savings of rupees 50,000. So you are required to answer the following. What business is suitable to Srimati Aarti? What problems she need to face in setting up her business, and suggest the ways and means of overcoming those problems. So first of all, this case study comes under which unit? See, as the Aarti is planning, the wife of the Arvind is planning to start up a business, it is related to what? Woman entrepreneurship, that comes under the unit 3. Okay. Now, before going to the solution to the questions asked, we'll understand what do you mean by the woman entrepreneurs or the woman entrepreneurship. Okay. See here, woman who initiates, organize and run a business enterprise besides bearing risks and uncertainties is called as what? Woman entrepreneurship. Okay, so business is established and run by the women who are also doing exceedingly well in academics, politics, administration, defense, social works and so on. Okay, as I have told you, the modern woman do not want to confine her world and activities to the 4 walls of the house. She is extending her field of activities to business and industries also. So if she initiates, organize or run a business enterprise by bearing the risks and uncertainties is known as what? Woman entrepreneurship. Okay. Now, what is given in the problem? See, the first thing is given is Arvind and Aarti are a couple with a female child. So, Arvind is a working and drawing salary of rupees what? 25,000 every month. So, unfortunately, Arvind died in an accident. So, Aarti is expert in what? Cooking and preparing eatables like chips, chutney, pickles, papad and so on. So, she has no other incomes except what? Her husband's savings of rupees 50,000. Now, we'll go to what? The questions. The first question is what? What business is suitable to Srimati Aarti? Then what are the business? What type of the business are suitable for the Srimati Aarti? See, as Aarti has no other income except her husband's savings of rupees 50,000, she can opt what? Teeny businesses. As she is expert in cooking and preparing eatables like chips, chutney, pickles, papad, so she can go for any teeny business like chips factory or preparing and selling chutney, pickles and papad and so on. Okay, so she can opt what? Small scale industries or the small scale business or the small businesses or the teeny businesses in which she is expert, which she can offer a quality as well as in which field she is expert, that for that business she can go for. Okay, next comes is what problems she need to face in setting up her business. See, in India, women like Srimati Aarti are facing more problems than what? Men entrepreneurs. See, business women, that is Aarti has to face all the problems associated with her business. At the same time, she has to face some particular problems which are linked with her family, because she is having a female child. Recently she is blessed with a female child, then she has to look after that child too along with her business. Okay, the both are the priorities for the Aarti. If she runs a business, she gets the profit for the growth of the child, and if she concentrate on and she as a mother of a child, she has to give a time to her child too. So she is facing two types of the problems, and along with that she will be facing what? The problems associated with the business, like the problems of finance. See, as she has no other income except husband saving of rupees 50,000, she may come up with she may not get adequate finance from the banks. It is mainly because the banks and the financial institution have no faith in the capabilities of the woman. Similarly, women have fewer properties in their name. As a woman, Aarti do not have any properties in her name. She is only having the savings of her husband. Okay, so hence she could not offer security to the banks against the loan. Therefore, Aarti is going to face the problems of cheap and timely credit. Okay, next is limited freedom and lack of mobility. That is, even today women enjoy what? Limited freedom, and she cannot move outside at any time. So as a woman, Aarti staying away from home, particularly late in the evenings, attending the meetings and discussing with government officials are what? The common problems, okay, which she has to face. Next comes is dual commitments and the responsibilities. That is, Aarti have to attend dual types of duties, namely household and the business. That is, she should fulfill the role of the mother, the daughter-in-law if she has any in-laws, then taking care of the family problems alongside of business problems. Okay, so she has, that is, she has to nourish small kids as she has a female child, and it is very difficult for her to stay away from the child for a long time. So she has to perform the dual commitments and the responsibilities. Next is inefficient marketing arrangements. That is, Aarti may find it difficult to capture the market and make her product popular, because she may face severe competition from other businesses, but also unable to gather useful information pertaining to market. Okay, next is socio-cultural hurdles. That is, in our society, more importance was given to male child as compared to female child. It deprived the woman from quality education and the vocational training. So therefore, they can't attain technical skills and the business proficiency. Even the male labor force is generally seen as not performing to work under a lady boss. So women entrepreneurs are not taken seriously enough by the labor force. So sometimes as a woman entrepreneur, Aarti has to work under stress and fear of failure of a business. Okay, next is less property in the name of woman. See, social norms and customs. Because of social norms and customs, she was not given share in the property of her father. Okay, even though now the law is changing in the favor of the woman, yet she is, that is, Aarti is not getting the share in the family property. She may not get in the family property. So as a result of this, many women like Aarti are facing a problem in getting a loan from what? Banks and the financial institutions. So she may be, or she might be facing the quite shortage of the capital. Okay, these are what some of the problems she may come up while setting up of her business. Okay, next we'll understand what are the solutions to overcome from these problems. Okay, so the first thing is change in the attitude of society. That is, the society should change its attitude towards women. The society should encourage women so as to participate in business by changing its traditional views. Okay, next comes is strengthening the institutional support to women. That is, the existing institutions working for women entrepreneurs should come up with meaningful support. They should not work for the sake of name only. Similarly, the network of institutions supporting women should be strengthened. Then this network should pass on the necessary technical, managerial, marketing and economic information to the women. Okay, next comes is training to women. That is, women who are interested in business activities should be provided a special training. This training should be effective and it shall include technical, economical, managerial and marketing information. Such training enables women like Mrs. Arati to identify, select, set up and carry on suitable business. Next comes is government purchase and marketing support. The governments should think of purchasing the goods manufactured by women entrepreneurs like Srimati Arati. Similarly, marketing assistance is to be provided to women entrepreneurs, enabling them to sell the goods easily. Efforts should be made to advertise and export the products in foreign markets. Okay, next comes is change in the attitude of financial institution. The financial institutions have to change their mindset to lend liberally to the women in business. Then as the bankers have less faith in the capabilities of the woman, they should change their attitudes towards the woman. Okay, along with these, some other solutions are there, like banks should come forward to support and motivate the women entrepreneurs to start their units. Then financial head should be provided to the Srimati Arati by government as well as non-government financial agencies, and it removes their difficulty in procuring loans. Then if woman is unable to create marketing plans and placing ads, outsourcing marketing strategy should be used or should be given to someone who is good in it. Okay, then women entrepreneurs should be provided with special training and development programs for developing their innovative instincts. Then next comes is family and society support should encourage the women entrepreneurs so that they can contribute their full energy to the growth of business. Okay, these are what some of the solutions to overcome from the problems which are faced by the women entrepreneurs. And even the Srimati Arati can follow these solutions so that she can overcome from the problems which she will face while setting up her business. So it is a challenging task to Srimati Arati due to her commitments and due to her commitments to the family. So it is compulsory for her to nourish her family or her child, and she is also take up responsibilities of nurturing her business. So therefore she will encounter number of problems in setting off her business. So it is important to note that Srimati Arati have got more problems than her husband. If her husband will be starting up a business, he would have not faced so much of problems. So when she compare her problems with her husband's problem, it will be more. So in order to eliminate these problems, she should demonstrate more courage, especially in the beginning of the business. So for this purpose, she has to take all the family members into confidence, and then she can start her own industries. Okay, this is regarding what? The case study on the unit 3. Thank you.